Hi guys, in this video I will show you a very easy way to permanently delete your Instagram account. Just to let you know, once you permanently delete your Instagram account, you won't be able to recover it. So once you have made up your mind to permanently delete your Instagram account, click on the Instagram icon on your mobile phone and open the Instagram app. Once you have opened the Instagram app, click on the user or profile icon on the bottom right corner. And once you are in this window, click on these three lines or dots under the battery sign, and then click on the settings. So once you are in the settings, click on the help. You don't need to click on any other option, just click on the help, and then click on the help center, because you need to go in the help center to delete your Instagram account. Click on the help center. So once you are in this window, click on the how can I check my account status on Instagram. It's the second option. Click on it, then scroll it down and find this option, how do I delete my Instagram account. Click on this option, and here you will see, once you scroll it down, you will see delete your account. Go to delete your account page. So click on the delete your account, and here it's going to ask you why you want to delete your account. So select any reason, or just say too busy or too distracting. And if you are not already logged in, it's going to ask you for the password. So once you have entered the password, and once you after entering the password, click on delete your account. So it's going to permanently delete your account. So I hope you liked the video. So make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.